Good morning, children. I am Nishi Arora. With me, Pooja Pareva. Today, we shall study Class 12th, Subject English, Textbook, Flamingo, Prose, Lesson 8, Going Places, Part 2. Dear children, in part 1st, we knew about the summary of this lesson. Today, we shall do question answers of this lesson. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Word meanings. Children, in this question, we shall learn meaning of these English words in Hindi. Desire, इच्छा. Believe, विश्वास करना. Whole, पूरा. Limit, सीमा. Fantasies, कल्पनाएं. Question number 2. Tick the correct alternative. Children, in this question, we will choose a correct answer. Who are Sophie and Jancy? You know, they are friends and schoolmates. So, we shall write C in the bracket. Question number 3. Write T for true and F for false. In this question, you will write T for correct sentence or F for wrong sentence. Jancy told Sophie not to dream big. It is true. So, we shall write T in bracket. Question number 4. Fill in the blank with the correct option. In this question, you will choose a correct answer and you will write it in this blank. Okay. On dash, Sophie and her family go to watch the football match. Correct answer is Saturday. So we shall write S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Okay. Question number 5. Answer the following question. What were the dreams of Sophie? Answer. Sophie dreamed of owning a boutique in the city. In order to save money for the boutique, she dreamed of becoming a manager, and she also dreamed to be an actress or a fashion designer. So children, now we have completed question answers of this lesson. Now you will do homework yourself. Okay? Homework. Question number 1. Write the meaning of the following words in English. In this question, you will write meaning of these Hindi words in English. For example, Ichha means desire. So we shall write DESIRE. Desire. In the same way, you will write meaning of these words in English yourself. Okay? Question number 2. Take the correct alternative. Around whom does the story going places revolve? Choose the correct answer and write it in bracket. Question number 3. Write T for true and F for false. Sophie is a worker at biscuit factory. In reality, write the answer yourself in bracket. Question number 4. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Sophie's elder brother is dash. Choose the correct answer and write it in this blank. Question number 5. Answer the following question. What did Sophie fantasize about Danny Casey? Write the answer yourself. Okay? So children, now we have completed this lesson. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.